Alright guys, 2014 Suburban, how to change a cabin filter. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open this glove box. Once you open this glove box, you're gonna see this little strap here. We're gonna remove that. All you do is you yank it down. You can see it from inside and it comes out just like that. That's like a little clip, and you let it go. Then you squeeze this cabin filter glove box from both sides, and this glove box should come down. Alright, you see you squeeze those little tabs on both sides, it's one on each side. After that, you have these whole bunch of screws here. We're gonna remove all of those. Just follow the steps, the ones we're removing.
T15.
This is T16.
16.
So we're gonna remove this little lid in here. It has more screws to the side here. Once you have those, this cover should come off. There you go. That's the little lid. After that, you're gonna... once you have that lid out, you're gonna come across this little tray here. That's the tray right there. We're gonna remove that. You should be able to pull it down. It has like a little clips to it. Just a little retainers up on the top. There you go. Let's look at this. See this little thing right here? You're gonna pull from the top here, on both sides, over there and over here. Now you have access to the cabin filter, so all you do is you pull the filter out. You could use a pick, or if you get a good handle of it, just pull it out. There you go. Just follow the direction of the filter. If it has an arrow just like this one, see the arrow, the flow is facing up, so you're gonna take the new cabin filter, you're gonna face it up. The flow is up. So we got the new cabin filter. This is the part number on it, and we're gonna take this cabin filter. We're gonna point the arrows up again, same way. And all you do is you guide the filter in nicely. And it should slide right in. After that, make sure you put the lid on. Just try to get the little teeth in the bottom, and then it clips on from the top. There you go. You hear the clicks, and that's it. It's locked in. Double check it, and now we're gonna take the front cover. Alright, so we're gonna take this cover and we're gonna put this in. Make sure you get these little teeth to click in also after you put in all the screws. Make sure you take all the Allen key little screws. and get them all and tighten it up. You should change this filter every 10,000 miles, you know, like 2 oil changes, and then cabin filter, and also air filter for the engine. Alright, so a few more screws and we're done. We'll put the glove box up and we'll put that little strap on the side, which brings the glove box down smoothly. There's one more over here. Alright, now we'll put the glove box up. Make sure you grab that little cable there, and it goes right in just like that. And then when you put the glove box in, this little clips are gonna snap right in and you're done. That's how you change the cabin filter on a 2014 Chevrolet Suburban.